welcome back to my channel Crafty Rabbits. Today we are going to make small doll accessories and decorations for her house. Let's start. First we are going to make this small flower pot, a hair straightener for our doll, and a small calendar to put on her desk. To make this flower pot, we will need some fake sand, some fake flowers or plants, a plastic bottle, and a cutter. To make this doll's hair straightener, we will need some soft cardboard, 2 short pieces, a scissor, some glue, foil paper, and a black paper. To make this doll calendar, we will need a long strip of white paper. You can use any light colored paper. We need some tape and some sketches and markers to decorate it and write dates on it. So that was it for today, guys. If you want more doll accessories and decoration videos, please like our channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can have a notification when we post a new video. Thanks.